Okay, I think also this line deserves a couple of our minutes. So he opens, we just called flops go check check. We bet, we got raised, and yeah, we called, we have monster draw, and then the river goes check check. Interesting is his range. So we can see that in single raise spot, check back 2 pairs. This would be my note, and then raised bet out of position on turn, check back, check river. So we learned that he's not c-betting 2 pairs on, let's say, dry boards or not. If you have more time, so if you are playing less tables, you can also describe maybe boards, but this is like really advanced, so you don't need to do it. It's just enough that you know that he's capable of check backing 2 pairs. It's like, I guess 80% of players are not capable of. He's not also capable of value betting thinly after he erased us. So maybe he would bluff if he would have like busted flush draw or not, we don't know yet. But it's definitely good to check this, I don't know, in one good hand when it's really close to jam the river or not. So we just call and learn what he's doing. So villain limped. Hero betted big for value and got min raised on the turn and decided to call down. So let's see what we are going to learn. Okay, this is quite interesting, I think. We learned that his limping range is also king 5 of suited. So I would mark it like this. I'm not sure if his limp calling range is also the same, but his limping range is this. Then I would think that maybe he was min raising to buy himself a showdown. So I would write that min raise on turn, min raise in position turn to buy showdown, and I would press the mark sign just because I'm not sure if he would also check the river if he would miss, or maybe he would turn his hand into a bluff. We don't know yet, but that's why I think it's good to put this question mark there. Just to keep on mind that maybe he's doing this just to buy a showdown value on the river, and yeah, basically this was maybe his primary plan, and then when he hit, he just value bet thinly. Okay, let's see this hand. We got rebetted and villain checked. We decided to bet with our open ender. We picked up flush draw, so we bet again. And then villain donked like 2/3, if I'm correct. So here I decided to call, and we find out how he's playing top sats in 3-bet pot. So I would take note that he's 3-betting 3x king king maybe. So I know maybe there's some sizing tell. Maybe he's 3-betting 4x ace king, 3-betting kings 3x, maybe sizing or something like that. Then you can write in the same line, or you can have like 3-betting x6 and 3-betting for x this and this range, or you can just put everything in one line. So how action goes, then he check call with top set and donk river uh, donk river 2/3. So I would assume that his donking range on the river is like value hands mainly. Maybe not, maybe he's mixing, but this is what we learned until now. Um, uh, Next time I would be more skeptical on the turn. If he would check raise, maybe this means flush, maybe this means flush draw, who knows. And yeah. I also noticed right now that he picked up a full house on the turn, so we can also with top set we can also write like top set made full house and donk river took thirds, something like that we can write. So this hand is about how villains play their value hands on double pair board basically. So let's see. We see betted, get called, we see betted, get called again, and now villain tongues. I decided to call here, and we learned that he had like this magical poker. So I would write that like maybe you can do it like this. Check call, donk, donk, ace 4 on ace 9 8 ace. So you basically know how he's going to play his bad trips. So he's going to check call. He's not going to raise them on the flop on the turn. He'll wait until river and he'll donk with a value hand, so there's no bluff, no nothing. I think this is pretty cool to know. Not not that he's going to hit many times like poker, but here we learned that he's more likely to donk value hands, and that he's not going to check raise low trips on flop or on the turn. A 3 hand here opens, decided to see bet, and he got raised. So he decided to call on street, and then villain bets relatively small to the pot. So here he decided to raise, get called, and this kind of ugly card when we can't value bet anymore. Okay, so we learned that our villain is check raising top pair, good kicker. So you can also write top pair, good kicker. You can also write if he would have ace king, top pair, top kicker, or you can write top pair, trick kickers. So you know it's the third best kicker, or in this example is second best kicker. So if he would have, let's say, ace 10, queen 10, king 10, sorry, this would be fourth best kicker, because ace is better, queen is better, jack is better, and 10x, king 10 is the fourth kicker. So in this example, on top pair, second kicker, and c-bet, I don't know, you can write, I'm not sure if this was 1/3, it was 1/3, you can write it like this, or maybe you can in percentage, you know, like this means 40%, this means 80% if he was half pot, whatever you prefer. Lately I'm also writing like percentage, because like I think it's a little easier for me, but you know, this is personal, whatever you prefer. And checked river, so he wasn't donking, he was just bluff cashing basically. So I would also like this. So this line means check rex, top pair, second kicker, c-bet 40%, and check river. You can also write the board like deuce, king 8, reduce, nothing, upsala, deuce, king 8, reduce. or something like that. Just to know, maybe to know on which board is he check raising top pairs, or maybe on some board he's not. But this is advanced, so I don't think that you need to do it until you reach, I don't know, 400 plus. No limit. Cash games, tables, stuff like that. Okay.